Hey folks, this is Riverponics coming to you. I'm going to show you today and demonstrate how to freeze your garden vegetables. So the first step is to get your vegetables, clean them, wash them, and then you want to quarter them, just like this. The next step is to put them in a dish like this, or what even works better is a cookie tray. You can spread them out more and actually get more coverage. And you want to make sure that whatever dish you use, whether it be a cookie tray or this here, that it's going to fit in your freezer. So you want to spread these out evenly across your dish, and then this would be applied into your freezer. And you basically just want to flash freeze this. Okay, so we're going to play pretend and act like we froze these, flash frozen. And when I say that, you're looking at probably 20 minutes to a half hour, depending on how good your freezer is. And what that does is that prevents the vegetables from clumping together when you do bag them up, because ultimately that's what you're going to do after you flash freeze these. So they're going to get that coating of frozenness around each quarter cut, and then you're going to want to vacuum seal that in a freezer lock bag, and that's going to prevent your vegetables from becoming one big block of peppers. So that's the whole purpose of quartering these and putting them in a tray and flash freezing them. Another alternative too is some people will blanch the vegetables first. And what blanching is you take a pot of boiling water and you would throw your vegetables in there just for like 2 or 3 minutes, and you just flash boil them, and then you can kind of do the same process. It softens the skin of the vegetable and all that good stuff, but it's really not necessary. And you can use this method here I just discussed with doing a flash freeze without blanching. It's really simple and a quick and easy way to utilize your garden vegetables and store them away. And this stuff, like these peppers here, are great for omelets and all kinds of cooking needs. So just a little educational video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Little PS, I have my website up to par now with pricing and all that, so you can go check it out, and a lot more affordable, trying to appease the customer. So I appreciate your support. Thank you for my subscribers. Much love and respect. Bye.